Welcome back to Health Here. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Health Here. Today, we're tackling a topic close to all our hearts: building a healthy lifestyle. It's not just about looking good, although that's a nice perk. It's about feeling your absolute best, having the energy to chase your dreams, and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Now, there's no magic bullet or one-size-fits-all approach, but there are some key pillars that form the foundation of a healthy life. Let's explore them together. Fueling your body. We've all heard the saying, you are what you eat, and it couldn't be more true. Think of your body like a high-performance car. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a Ferrari, would you? The same goes for your body. Filling it with nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber it needs to thrive. Move it or lose it. Exercise isn't a punishment, it's a celebration of your amazing body. Regular physical activity strengthens your heart, improves your mood, helps you manage weight, and even boosts your brain power. The key is to find activities you actually enjoy. Don't force yourself to become a gym rat if that's not your scene. Maybe you love dancing to your favorite music, swimming laps in the pool, or taking a brisk walk in nature. Find what works for you and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Sleep to your body's recharge station. Sleep is like hitting the reset button on your body and mind. When you prioritize quality sleep, aim for 7-8 hours a night, you're giving your body the chance to repair itself, consolidate memories, and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Tame the stress monster. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your physical and mental health. It weakens your immune system, disrupts your sleep, and contributes to a variety of health problems. The good news is, there are healthy ways to manage stress. Meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, even connecting with loved ones and laughing together can all help you de-stress and find inner peace. Find your tribe. Humans are social creatures, and strong social connections are crucial for both mental and physical well-being. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift you and make you feel good. These are the people who will celebrate your victories and be there for you during tough times. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. Don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. That's part of the process. Just keep moving forward, celebrate your victories big and small, and enjoy the journey. For even more tips and tricks on healthy living, be sure to subscribe to Health Here. We'll be sharing new videos every week packed with information and inspiration to help you on your wellness journey. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a healthy you is a happy you.